Hey, all my real estate investor friends out there, you see this building right behind me? It's about 200 units. Let me just show you how fast you can actually create wealth investing in real estate when you find the right asset, right time, right price, and if it has the opportunity to grow rents either immediately or more likely over long periods of time, okay? For instance, 200 units, I raised the rents just $10, and I've increased the value of that building by 400 grand. Okay, here's the math. 200 times $10 is $2,000 times 12 months is 24,000 divided by a 6 cap or a 6% return on that rent increase equals $400,000. Now, if I do that twice a year, that's 800 grand. Typically, that tenant there is going to move out probably 1.5 times over a year. We'll recycle every room about 1.5 to 2 times a year. So without even increasing the rents on the actual tenant in the building, every time the unit turns, we would raise the rents $10. Okay, if I could do that twice a year, I would increase the value of that building by $800,000. Now, how real is it that I would increase the rents $20 in 1 year on a property? Okay, $20 is only $1.83 a month. And that is the value of real estate. Now, what happens if that property over the next 10 years, let's give ourselves some time, if over 10 years the rent increases $500 or $700 or $1,000? Well, the truth is, I believe in 2033, right here in Clearwater, Florida, Tampa, on the ocean, or at least good views of the oceans, the bridges, downtown, as this little town continues to grow, these rents will go up $1,000. Now what happens? Do the math. $1,000. First answer wins 100. $1,000 times 2 grand in rent increase. I'm sorry, 200 units. Sorry about that. 200 units times $1,000 rent increase over 10 years times 12 months. Okay. Even at a 92% occupancy, divide that by a 6 cap, and you're going to see the new value of the property, which will be freaking 50x, 50 times the 400 grand that I gave you earlier, which would be about $20 million. Okay, want to get rich? Invest in real estate. For those of you interested in more than just a simple math class, okay, and you want to learn how to find a deal, buy a deal, fund a deal, I did a free training, 45-minute free training. Completely free, no strings attached. All you got to do is go to the link below, grab it. Otherwise, hey man, I just gave you a little simple math class. Okay, real estate simple, long-term investing over long periods of time. Rents are going to increase. Okay, particularly if you have job growth, if you have a great location, if you have a good tenant base, if you take care of your tenants, if you don't over leverage, nutcases, don't over leverage. You're going to have a great piece of real estate, and you're going to see rents go up over long periods of time. God bless, be great, peace, love, and cash flow.
Facts, back, last, past. Hey, trampoline.